Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In exercise 1.3 sum number 5, the sum of three numbers is 20. So first we are assuming let the three numbers be x, y and z. Again three unknowns and a word problem, and the first equation sum is 3. So x plus y plus z equal to 20. This is going to be your first equation. If we multiply the first by 2, so first number by 2 and add the second number and subtract the third number, so minus is equal to, we get the answer as 23. This is going to be your second equation. And if we multiply the first by 3, so 3x and add second and third, so adding both y and z, you get your answer as 46. This is going to be 3. Now using matrix inversion method, you are going to find the numbers. Now we shall form the matrix. What is the matrix here? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, 1. Okay. And this is our A. What is our X, Y and Z, the three unknown. And our B is going to be the right hand side constants 20, 23 and 46. This is nothing but AX equal to B. Therefore, x equal to, when A goes to the right hand side, you will write it as A inverse B. Okay, now we are going to find out A inverse. For that we have to do our determinant. So this is plus minus plus through R1. So determinant A is going to be 1 and a minor minus 1 into the second minor and plus 1 into our third minor. Okay. For 1, when you delete your first column, you get it as 1 minus 1, 1, 1. And for the second one, it is second column you delete and you take the first and the third. 2 minus 1, 3 and 1. And for the last column, when you delete, it is 2, 1, 3, 1. Now expanding, you will get 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 into 1 minus, what is that? 2, it is 2. 1 into 2 minus 3. So this will become 2 and this will become minus 1 into 5 plus minus 1, you need not write. So your answer is going to be 2 minus 5 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now you are going to our A inverse formula, that is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A, and you are going to find out adjoint A directly by writing the shortcut method. First you copy your matrix as it is and then write the first two columns again, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 1, 1. Now write your two rows below, it is 1 fully and next one is 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 1. Now deleting our first column and our first row, we are going to write the adjoint A directly. Okay. So here you will multiply column wise and write it row wise. Okay. That is the only thing you have to remember. So what is going to be your first element? 1 plus 1, it is going to be 2. And your second element, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. And your third element, minus 1 is going to be minus 2. Now coming to your second column, multiply column wise and write it row wise. It is going to be minus 3 minus 2. So second element is minus 5. Second row, second element, 1 minus 3, so minus 2. 2 plus 1, it is going to be 3. Now coming to your third column, again multiply diagonally. So 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1 and 3 minus 1 gives you 2 and 1 minus 2 gives you minus 1. This is going to be your adjoint B. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A is minus 4 and your adjoint is 2, 0, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Now you are going to go into X. What is X? A inverse into B, 1 by minus 4 into our adjoint 2, 0, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1. this is minus 1, and our x is going to be our b is going to be 2, 23 and 46. That is our right hand side numbers, constant, isn't it? Now multiplying row wise, you get a single column 1 by minus 4 into, multiply and write the answer. So it is 40 plus 0 minus 92. Second row minus 100 minus 46 and plus 138. Now coming to our third row, minus 20 plus 46 minus 46. This gets cancelled. So your answer is going to be minus 1 by 4. When you add it up, you get it as minus 52, and the second one it is minus 8, and the last one is minus 20. Okay, because 146 plus 138 will give you 8. Okay, now dividing the minus with minus gets plus, and when you divide with 4 you get the answer as 13 and then 2 and then 5. This is nothing but our x, y and z. You verify putting it in any one of the equation and you will get the right answer.